Hello, you're on K-Chat. What's your name?
Hey, it's Emmanuel from Front Island. I love the show. Yeah, I want to talk about technology enslaving us. You know that play in the future?
Томас, хорошо, что ты...
Things faster and more efficient took their jobs.
Oh, shut up. Computers aren't evil. It's the people that program the computers that are evil. That's a pretty big difference. I'm talking to you through a computer right now. In fact, I am a computer.
Well, anything that can think faster than me is evil. Anything which doesn't dance or sing or cry or wear a smile. You create your own reality. We are like the dust in the wind. We are golden. We've got to get ourselves back to the garden.
Okay. I know who you remind me of. My Aunt Susan. Oh, she was single too.
I'm not single, Amy. I share my life with a number of valuable partners, and we commune with each other in a non-judgmental, expressive way.
Old maid, my mom calls her. Anyway, let's go to the phones. You're on K-Chat.
Yes. Thank you.
Вот это мне нравится. Слушай, если тебе нечего делать, тогда покажи мне, на что ты способен. Я могу это сделать. Меня зовут Ланс, кстати. Том Версетти. Идем.
Chavez, a man climbing the broadcasting ladder at a rate of 6 knots. 6 years ago, I was a clown, and now I'm a success. Think about it. Imagine where I could be in 10 years. I could achieve anything. Anyway, morality. What is it? Why do we need it? Our ancestors, shortly after discovering fire, built tools to beat each other over the head and discover how to make meat to celebrate with afterwards. Then Columbus came over, shut down the Pilgrim Discos. Why? All very confusing if you ask me. And you did. And I asked myself, that is a perfect subject for a region-wide discussion show, which is very lucky because I have...
Вы новый человек Кортеза? Пока не возникает более удачный случай. Они сейчас будут здесь, нам лучше найти хорошую точку наблюдения. Окей, я возьму балкон, а вы идите на крышу напротив двора. Увидимся. Не волнуйся, я тебя прикрою. Мои деньги! Не стойте там, черти, отправляйтесь за этим гаитянским дерьмом.
That loony. If the police were naked, it would set a great example to everyone. You can direct traffic and eat donuts entirely in the buff.
Maurice, this kind of immoral behavior is exactly why I'm building the Pastor Richard Salvation statue. image. Simple. This 50-story statue will be able to deflect alpha, gamma, and beta radiation. The day is coming, and coming soon, where the artificial suns will rain down to punish the degenerates of this city. But you can save yourself. The Pastor Richard Salvation statue will be a completely...
Я жив, и все благодаря тебе. Как тебя зовут, дружище? Томми, надеюсь, мы скоро увидимся. Черт, это был Ланс?